For years, smartphone manufacturers made us accept a frustrating trade-off. If you wanted a massive battery and extreme physical durability, you had to buy a heavy, bulky, rugged phone that looked like a brick. And if you wanted a sleek, beautiful mid-range device with a bright display, you had to settle for a tiny 5000 mAh battery that struggled to last a full day. Well, Huawei just shattered that entire paradigm. Meet the brand new Huawei Nova 16 SE. Priced at an aggressive starting point of roughly $370, this phone is packing hardware features that should make $1,200 flagship phones blush. First up, the battery. Huawei didn't and Oppo's just give this phone a minor capacity bump. Using advanced silicon-negative chemistry, also known as silicon-carbon technology, they crammed a colossal 500 mAh battery inside a slim, ergonomic chassis. That is the largest battery reservoir across the entire Nova line. We are talking 3 to 4 days of legitimate usage on a single charge. And when you need to power up your wireless earbuds or a friend and Oppo's best phone, the 16 SE supports 22.5W reverse wired charging, turning it into a literal high-speed power bank. Then there is the display. The front panel is a 6.84-inch 1.5K LTPS OLED screen running at 120 Hz. But the real headliner here is the peak brightness. This display hits an unheard of 8,000 nits of peak luminance under localized high brightness conditions. Even under the harshest, direct midday sunlight, screen glare is completely obliterated. Now, usually, budget and mid-range phones cut corners on durability to keep costs down. Huawei went in the exact opposite direction. The Nova 16 SE holds a quad-tier environmental ingress protection rating, IP66, IP68, IP69, and IP69K. That means it doesn't and Oppo's just survive being dropped in water. It can literally withstand high-pressure water jets, steam cleaning, and extreme high-temperature washdowns. Under the hood, it's powered by Huawei's proprietary Kirin 8025G processor, paired with Beidou Satellite Messaging. If you ever get lost off-grid with zero-cell tower signals, you can send two-way satellite texts and location tags straight from your phone. On the back, you get a 50-megapixel RYYB main camera paired with a 1.5 million pixel red maple multispectral color sensor for accurate, real-to-life skin tones. An 8,500 mAh silicon carbon battery, an 8,000 nit display, IP69K pressure wash waterproofing, and satellite messaging for under $400. Huawei just set a brand new baseline for what a budget smartphone should be.